Guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's lunchtime. I'm really hungry. But per cat law, I can't move. Look how cute. I can't get the right angle so you can see the cuteness that I'm seeing. Can you see it? I don't know what to do. I'm really hungry. Oh. He turned around. Look at it. Look at the cute. So cute. Still can't move though. He keeps twitching and chirping. So cute. But I still can't move. You know, I was in the bathroom and I came back in my room. Well, first I looked around for the kitten and didn't see him. Figured he's probably hunkered down somewhere asleep, like he likes to do. Like one time we looked for him for like hours. Well, I mean my sister and brother-in-law. And finally he just like appeared out of nowhere. We have no idea where he came out of, where he was hiding. But anyway, I'm by myself, so I was looking for him. Didn't see him anywhere. He didn't come when I called. So I got in my room. I was sitting here, and I found him. Nikko, hi. What are you doing? He's a menace. His head just popped up out of nowhere. I don't know if he was like asleep, and I woke him up, and now all of a sudden he's got the zoomies now. Nikko. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Are you playing with the yarn that I need to put away? Let's see how he does this. Oh, he actually jumped that time. My furniture is making very weird noises. Oh, we're gonna go back. Oh, nope. I need to feed him. Oh, it's like having a toddler in the house again. All of my nieces and nephews are past that age, but it's like having that in the house again. He came over here, and then he got on the back of my chair and was messing with the garland that I have up there. And then he's messing with all this stuff over here. He knocked my grabber down on the floor, and now he's left the room. I need to feed him though, since he's awake now. I'm gonna go feed the baby. I keep thinking of things to say. Also, he has beef with the grabber. I don't know why, but every time I'm using it, he's pawing at it for some reason. I don't think he previously like knocked it over or anything like that on himself that I know of. Maybe he did when I wasn't home. I don't know. He's not afraid of it, but every time I am using it, he's attacking it. He has some sort of beef with it. I don't know. He's running all over the place now. Yes, his zoomies. So he definitely had a nap. Short little cat nap while I was in the bathroom. I'm gonna go feed him now, like I've said 3 times now. Okay, goodbye. See what I'm dealing with? This is what I'm dealing with. Ah! Good thing I'm wearing shorts underneath this skirt. If my legs were bare, oh my god. Nikko, hey, I wasn't even moving my hand. He's unhinged. I remember this one being like this. Nikko, stop it. Oh my god. Does anybody know how to turn off the zoomies? Nikko! I'm not even moving my hand, y'all. I'm not. Stratus, what are you getting into? Nikko, seriously. Oh my god. I can't wait for them to get back home. Stay away from you two. Where is she go? She's going somewhere behind me. Nikko. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna get him. Maybe kick him out of the room. I don't know. Nikko, stop it. I think the zoomies are off now. Yeah. The saga continues. He's fast asleep still. But look what I just noticed. Do you see that? Do you see the toilet paper strewn all over the place? Like, when did he do that? When? Okay, I need you to see this. He's curled up in my laundry basket, sound asleep. He had the zoomies like you saw before, and then he went out of my room for a little while, probably chasing around Stratus, irritating her, and she probably ran him off after a bit. And then he came back in here, and he wanted to curl up into my arms, but I wanted to get ready for bed. So I'm like, okay, I'll put you in this. I have 2 laundry baskets. He's like, I don't want to go in there. So he climbs down and he gets in that laundry basket and he watches TV for a little bit. And now he's sound asleep.